Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarala, consultant homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional treatment part of warts. What is conventional treatment? The Western medication or the usual allopathic prescription, what we get or how they treat the wart. Primary thing is cryotherapy or freezing. As you can see in the picture, the liquid nitrogen is sprayed on the growth of the wart. If you can see, this is a wart. As you can see in the picture, if this is the wart, they spray liquid nitrogen at the base of the wart. So what happens when you freeze or when you pour liquid nitrogen to the base of the wart is that slowly the skin will start getting irritated and the base part of the wart is broken and it is sealed there. But what are the side effects of cryotherapy? You can remember that they're just taking away the symptom of a wart, but they are not taking away the cause of it, which is HPV infection, and also it can be thin epidermis layer, or it can also be the immune suppression or the low immune system. Salicylic acid. What is salicylic acid? Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid or BHA. Continuous application of salicylic acid to the wart will cause irritation of that area and will exfoliate the wart completely. Even this method has its own risk factors. First thing, increased use of salicylic acid can cause skin irritation, it can cause redness, and also not only that, it will only treat the wart but it is not internally curing the disease. Electrosurgery. What is electrosurgery? Alteration of different electrical currents to treat the base of the wart or the wart. It is a type of surgery where they use electrical currents to remove the wart. The same thing, it has its own side effects where it can cause redness, it can cause irritation, and also it is not treating what is the proper cause of the disease. Laser therapy, using of laser to treat or to cut off the wart. Immunotherapy. So what is immunotherapy? In immunotherapy, they trigger a certain immune response so that will fight back the HPV. But remember, the immune cascade or the immune reaction might not go as we want it to go. It can cause different reaction in different parts of the body. Now let's get into the homeopathic treatment part of wart. Why should you prefer homeopathy if you're suffering from warts, and why should you prefer homeopathy and not other systems of medicine? Because primary thing, as we can discuss, is that the conventional treatment or the allopathic treatment has its own side effects. Here in homeopathy, we do not have any side effects. It's very safe to use. Any person can use it. Either it is an infant, a child, a teenager, an adult, or a really elderly person can also use homeopathy. Second, it is not only safe, but it is also very easy to use because of the palatable homeopathic globules. Thirdly, it has no side effects. It's easy to use, and also it is holistic. That means it internally starts treating your disease. Primary thing, it helps in getting rid of the HPV infection, and also it helps in healing the body inside out by increasing the immune response. So when you have a good immune response, it will help in clearing off the HPV infection, and not only that, it will prevent in further recurrences. That means it will help so that your immune system is so strong that even if you have a cut in the epidermis in the future, you might not be affected by the HPV infection. It is timely, and also there is no painful treatment like cryotherapy happening in homeopathic treatment. There is low recurrency rate, and it is an individual treatment. That is, if you're having a flat wart, or if you're having a common wart, if you're having filiform wart, your representation is because you're an individual. By treating you with a specific tailor-made individual treatment, your immune system response is heightened, you have a better health, and not only that, overall your health is improved and your infection will slowly start disappearing and the recurrency rate will go down very low. So prefer homeopathy over top conventional treatment methods. Let us now talk about the consultation part here at Fidicus Homeopathy. As if you're suffering from warts and you want to cure your warts, or you have different kinds of warts and you don't know what kind of wart it is, or it is spreading rapidly and you want to cure for it, here at Fidicus we have two consultation options. First one is the online consultation, second one is the offline consultation. If you're staying nearby us, you can come and visit us in person. If you are staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can visit us online. That is, audio consultation and through video consultation. You can consult us and we will check your investigations and we will let you know if you want any more investigations. After doctor consultation, if you want medications, the medications will be delivered to you through home delivery directly to your doorstep. So if you're staying in India, it might take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days for the medicines to reach you. If you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medication to reach your doorstep. If you want to choose homeopathy, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. If you want to choose us and you would like to get in touch with us, you can contact with this number either through WhatsApp, through call, or you can ping us a message and our staff will get back to you. If you're suffering from warts and you want to cure it, then why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? First thing, Fidicus stands is for its highest chances of health, and we proudly follow 3 principles. First is our highest success rate. People who are already suffering from warts have come to our clinic and have got good results. Second thing is a transparent treatment. If you're having any sort of doubts, we will let you know about your prognosis. There will be no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. Any sort of doubts, any sort of queries, all your myths will be busted after talking to the doctor. So if you want to choose homeopathy, choose it right. Choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.